don't care even if Uzalo Babangiza Bekis, I would never ever work with them. Right?
And the executive producers can't do anything or say anything because now this is not only like this is your life, this is your
it messed up my life. When they
famous, Gabella, you are out there, everybody knows you.
You know, when they breached that contract, my life was, all the way. Number one, my bank froze all of my accounts, right? The car I had that I had bought, I'd taken it from West Bank, right? A loan from West Bank to buy the car. The car was repossessed. My apartment, Mzoti, was locked. Everything I had was locked up, right? My daughter, last time I saw my daughter was in 2018. Because the mother of my child, from whom I was divorced, right? I used to send money every month. I used to send money, okay, for the upkeep of my daughter. When I lost that contract, she reckoned, okay, I want the terms and conditions, you know what I'm saying? So, forgetting those I haven't seen my daughter since 2018. I don't know what poison she put in my daughter's head, but my daughter does not want to see any part of me today. Sad part is the mother passed away without having fixed that. And people see me laughing, people see me happy, and people think they reckon I'm happy. I'm not. I'm hurting inside. I'm hurting inside. I don't even know.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the video as well. So, bafethu, kunodaba lalo baba esesithi ubaba uMdletshe lo owayethithiza kakhulu kuzalo manikhumbula kahle baba menza umfundisi nje othithizayo yabo. So kwaya ke there are so many characters awadlalile baba as actor edlala ke etorini ehlukahlukene yabo. But then ke kwane podcast I think nalo sisilo owake wavakashela owami lapho sekubhalesa mangaphosisisi kwakubhalesa noma ubhalesa I'm not sure kodwa ke ngizokukhumbula nje igama lakhe une podcast lapha na ku YouTube uma wengane kaSomizi ngizokele ngisho kanjalo I'm sure abantu abaningi kuzoba lula ukuthi bambone masisho kanjalo. So lo baba lo okwakuthiwa uMdletshe uyakhala kakhulu ukhala especially ke ngokuthola kahle kahle ukuthola kwakhe ithuba kuzalo uthi ikona kwamdalela inkinga because ekupheleni kwecontract izinto zavele zashintsha kakhulu kuyena njenge-actor. So uGlenn Gabela lo esikhuluma ngayo, he is a South African actor known for his role as upastor lapha uMdletshe on Uzalo and for portraying Ushaka Shaka Zulu in the iconic miniseries lapha ke ethi Shaka. So he has also appeared lapha kuma productions like Oyizo, Hopeville and Esinye Story, The Ghost and The Darkness. However, he has faced ilentozana a significant challenge njengoba kusikhuluma ngaye ke namhlanje ke ingoba usekufike kuleso sigaba futhi ke besingeke futhi mhlawumbe esakhuluma ngaye ngaphandle ukuthi kuze kutrend ke i-podcast ke noma ke impendulo zakhe ngokwempendulo zakhe ke the time interview lapha yana kuyona ke i-podcast le esikhuluma ngayo. So lana ke ukhulume ngama challenges akhe and then wa include ke indaba ukuthi ke cha nokuphelelwa icontract kuzalo ke ikona kwenzeke izinto zahluka kakhulu yabo. Ukhulume ke ngama struggles like financially and personal hardships particularly after losing contracts as we've said khona lapha ke kuzalo. Despite these difficulties lapha ke uGabela has been working kulama film noma kuma workshops lawa ke ngicatha ama theater films or kuma workshops if ever as umuntu ke uzikhipha busy yabo ngalezo zinto and ke ukuze kube khona phela ke lokho singathi ke isinkwa noma etafuleni yabo. And ke beside bafethu ke ukubeka isiko etafuleni I think abantu abangama actor if uhlala nabo ubabuka noma kukhuluma nabo you will realize ukuthi ke there is something more than ke indaba yokuthi ke uyi-actor nje yabo. So I guess ke futhi okunye lento le abantu ihlalishiwe kubantu yabo abantu abangama-actor nama-actress-ke kubalulekile ukuthi the time kusakhona imali e-reasonable oyitholayo noma i-contract isahamba kahle, kuhle-ke bebe benjani, bebe bebuka ukuthi-ke imaphi amanye amathuba bona bangazidalela wona bona, yabo, to sustain lokho abasuke sebevele sebenakho. Yini into abangayenza during the time besabhizi ngokunye noma ke besathole leyo contract yokuthi ke okay fine, I'm on uzalo and we've signed a contract ke mhlawumbe for how many years or kanjani, but let me do this while I'm busy with ke i-contract yozalo. Because ngeke ungitshele ukuthi ke lo baba uvele nje kwathi qhuu nje yavele kwathiwa hayi ne-contract ke kona ke uzalo ke lapha ke sekwenzeka ngale ndlela le ekwenzeka ngayo noma ke kwenzeka ngayo before, yabo. So bafethu mina ithi ayibe kanjalo le ndaba, yabo. I-story sakhe si-highlighter nje ngama ups and downs kuyona ke i-entertainment industry, as we know ukuthi akusiye kuphela lo baba lo. Recently bekade ke sikhuluma ngendaba ka ubani lo sisilo ke waveza indaba ukuthi ube udokotela eyolento zamazinyo, lo sisilo wayexabana kodwa nomama wakhe, I think ngizobe ngikhumbula, but then ke kuma interviews ubehamba kakhulu lengane yakhe nje ukuze bamquza abantu yabo lapho nakho ke futhi ke esevela kudokotela ukuthi ke beyuclean amazinyo kanjani abantu ke sebemqhuzela ukuthi ke they hope ukuthi akuyona imali njalo ke yani yamazinyo, I mean imali yama donations le asenza ngayo amazinyo, yabo. Kodwa ke I guess iningi labo bebeyidlalela, but then bafethu asikho lapho, asibuyele ke kubaba lapha yana ke uGabela. Yeah bafethu, if ule industry you have to be strong, but then same time make sure ukuthi uvula umqondo ngale ndlela ukuthi you understand ke ukuthi ke okay contract yakho might end anytime, but at the same time make sure ukuthi ke kukhona ke izinto noma indlela wenza ngazo ukuthi ke ukwazi ukuthi makuphela leyo contract uqhubeke naleyo nto ngabe ke uyenza. Uthi yena ke akafisi uma ukuthi ngibizwe kahle nje uthi ke akakufisi lokho kwenzeka kuyena, futhi ke akacabanga ukuthi ukuye kwazi ukusebenza nabo laba ke bozalo ke noma ke nama directors akhona nje wonkana. Yeah bafethu, I think kodwa ngoba ukwazile ukufika kulesi sigaba abanye abantu abakwazi, especially nje khona sesibathola emgaqweni, they are homeless, benza nje izinto engacacanga, badla ama drugs abanye, kodwa ugcineni kosuku lo baba ukwazile ukuthi ke akwazi ukuthi ayibambe impilo yakhe ke up to this far. Ngeke uzusho nje ukuthi ke awekho amathuba ke angconywana noma ke afana ke naleli ke akalithola ke lapha kuzalo. So bafethu kulokho ke singamshayela izandla, and kodwa ke nami ngingakuthokozela ukuzwa ke kunina la kwi-comment section ukuthi ke nina ikuphi enikucabangayo, yabo, ikuphi la ekugejeke khona, ikuphi la kuhambeke khona wrong kulo baba lona ke eze efike. Do you think ukuthi usenawo ama qualities ukuthi ke aqhubeke ne-acting noma ke aqhubeke nokuba umuntu ovelayo kuma screens njengakuzalo? Nani mthandani kwakhona kuzalo bafethu, because abanye babethe ke ngeke nalo mfundisi umdletshe wamanje kanjani, yabo. Kodwa ke bafethu ke if there is anything nje specific engingathanda ke ukuthi ke niyazi ngaye lo baba, okukhona mhlambe ke engakwazi ukuthi ke nikushare nathi la kwi-comment section, please do share my views. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Danko.